Hey everyone, how's it going? So, are you having the issue that your PS4 is not turning on? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. So, first of all, fire up your browser, open google.com and type in PS4 Won't Turn On, the first result. Now, scroll all the way down to this one. 10 ways to fix PS4 Won't Turn On error by Techo. That's us. Now, here we have mentioned top 10 ways that could be the issue and how to fix them. So, first one would obviously be to just turn it off and turn it back on. This is like the simplest issue and this might solve your problem 80% of the time. Next one is to unplug all the cables and reconnect them. Sometimes it happens that the cables don't get connected properly and that could result in the PS4 not turning on. So you should check for that. After that, there is an option to turn your PS4 on in the safe mode. So in order to do that, you can just press and hold down the power button until a specific menu option shows up. After that, you can choose to go in the safe mode. Next one is to check if your power strip is connected. Sometimes it happens that the power strip is not able to provide enough voltage. Thus, you should always make sure that your power strip is properly connected, or better, you can always connect it directly into the wall. Now, this next issue was faced by my friend. It's called external bugs infesting your PS4. Now, he had a lot of cockroaches and other bugs lying around in his house, and those went inside his PS4. So, you should make sure that that is not the case for you. Another reason could be that your PS4 has a faulty power button, so you should check for that. Now, next one, this is a very rare issue, but it might just fix your problem if others don't. You can remove and insert your hard disk drive. Just take it out and put it back in and then restart your system. Maybe that will fix it. Another option is to upgrade your PS4 firmware. Once the updates are installed and the firmware is ready to go into the run mode, try reinitiating the PS4. After that, you should check if your PS4 is been affected due to overheating. This generally doesn't happen, but if you stay in a humid place or really hot climate area, you should check for this. And finally, you can try this method of booting your PlayStation to rebuild the database. So in order to do that, just unplug your PlayStation 4 and leave it unplugged for around 30 seconds. Then replug your PlayStation back and hold the power button until it beeps twice. Meanwhile, make sure that your controller is also plugged up. Now you can rebuild the database and hit the X button. Now it will reboot your PlayStation and it will no longer take more than 5 minutes for your PlayStation to turn back on. So those were the top 10 methods to fix your issue. Hope it worked for you. Thank you for watching. Peace out.